Vietnam is one of the most captivating countries in Southeast Asia. It captures the hearts of travelers from all over the world with its blend of urban modernism and natural beauty. From seacoasts to hill stations, Vietnam has it all. It's remarkable to see how this country and its people have overcome a long and bloody war to become the awe-inspiring place it is today. If you're planning a trip to Vietnam, it will come as good news that getting a Vietnamese visa is not a hassle for Indians. No long queues, no extensive paperwork needed. In fact, you can apply for an e-visa online and get a 30-day single-entry visa quite easily. It's best to time your Vietnam trip between December and February, when the weather is pleasant and rainfall is minimal. If you go before December, it will be raining too heavily for you to enjoy activities like trekking. And if you visit after February, the weather will be extremely humid and sultry. While booking your flight tickets to Vietnam, keep in mind the region you wish to explore. If your trip focuses on North Vietnam, fly to Noi Bai Airport in Hanoi. However, if you hope to see off central and southern Vietnam, land at Tan Son Nhat Airport in Ho Chi Minh City. If you are feeling adventurous, you can even consider taking a cruise to Vietnam. While there are no direct cruises from India, you can board one from Singapore and dock at Ho Chi Minh in 10 days. The currency used in Vietnam is the dong, which is far cheaper than the Indian rupee. This means that a trip to Vietnam will not set you back by much, owing to the weak currency. There are plenty of places to visit in Vietnam based on your interests. Hanoi. Hanoi is the capital of Vietnam and also the heartbeat of the nation. If you want to explore quaint street shops, buy fresh fruit, and explore rich museums, Hanoi is the place to do it. Ha Long Bay. The seascape of Ha Long Bay is a must-visit on your trip to Vietnam. Thousands of limestone islands, caverns, caves, stalagmites, and stalactites make up this strange ecosystem. Cruising in these waters and exploring the caves is as befuddling as it is exciting. Ho Chi Minh City. The commercial hub of the country, Ho Chi Minh is as cosmopolitan as it can get. The central district of Dong Khoi is home to shops, restaurants, and the Grand Notre Dame Cathedral. Also, visit the Jade Emperor Pagoda, the Reunification Palace, and the War Remnants Museum while in Ho Chi Minh. The Phong Nha Bang National Park is one of the Vietnam's best natural offerings. It has dramatic mountain formations interspersed with huge caves that you can access by boat. My Son. Dating back nearly 1600 years, My Son is a stunning temple surrounded by lush forests and mountains. The temple ruins here have a strong sense of history. Hoi An. Hoi An is one of the more relaxed and charming cities in Vietnam. With old-style architecture and unrushed streets, Hoi An will steal your heart. Check out the Japanese bridge, explore the old town street, step into a quiet tea house, or explore the decorated temples to make the most of your visit to Hoi An. Depending on what kind of traveler you are, choose from the many things to do in Vietnam. The Adventurous Traveler. Explore the Cu Chi tunnels, an extensive tunnel network that allowed communication during the war, spreading over 250 kilometers. The Nature Lover. Go kayaking in the Ba Be Lake and then go trekking in the surrounding forests. Complete your trip by staying in stilt homes for an offbeat experience. The Water Baby. Head to Nha Trang to enjoy 6 kilometers of uninterrupted beach. You can go swimming and snorkeling or just lie on the beach and sunbathe. While in Vietnam, don't forget to experiment a bit and try the local cuisine. Vietnamese food is very diverse, vegetarian friendly, and not as spicy as other Southeast Asian cuisine. Start your culinary journey with a hearty bowl of pho or Vietnamese noodle soup. which usually comes with beef or chicken and is peppered with red chilies, lime, beans, cilantro, and basil. You'll find it everywhere, from restaurants to street-side hawkers. Another Vietnamese staple is the nem rang, served with phenomenal peanut sauce for a punch of flavor. Vietnam is famous for its love for beer, and you will find tons of places serving locally brewed beers that are light, flavored, and frothy. A great way to relax after a hectic day of sightseeing. Indeed. Vietnamese iced coffee is special because it is dark roast coffee beans on a drip filter and uses sweetened condensed milk instead of regular milk. Thick, luscious, and oh so delicious. Wrap up your trip to Vietnam by shopping for some mementos to bring back home. Vietnam produces first-rate silk, so buy some silk scarves, dresses, and shirts. The local bamboo and grass-woven handicrafts make for great souvenirs. The Vietnamese conical woven straw hat is pretty popular with tourists. If you enjoyed this travel guide to Vietnam, like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more travel guides. If you feel we missed out on anything, let us know in the comment section.